Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is your English language tutorial of 30th March 2021. Day is Tuesday, class 2. Our today's topic is writing skills and focus is why are trees important. Explanation and discussion will be given by a web, and at the end students will write a paragraph about the importance of trees in English language notebook. Objectives and success criteria is students will be able to discuss the importance of trees and write a paragraph about the importance of trees. Remember to follow the rules of paragraph writing. Before starting the lesson, I would like to ask few questions to you. Can you please tell me why are trees important? And name some things that we can get from trees. Tell some facts about trees. Dear students, as you all know that life could not exist on earth without trees because they produce most of the oxygen that humans and wildlife breathe. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen using the process of photosynthesis. Trees give us oxygen and food, shelter, medicine, tools, timber, paper and firewood, looks beautiful, aesthetic value, economical value. Trees control the pollution, provide us shade and energy collector. Dear students, there are some benefits of planting trees like trees are the main source of oxygen. An average tree produces enough oxygen to fulfill the oxygen need of 4 people. Trees help in absorbing dust and other pollutants from the air, thus cleaning it. The land under the tree absorbs more rainwater and helps prevent floods. Trees also absorb a considerable amount of sound and helps reducing noise pollution. Birds lay their eggs in the nest on the tree, thus trees also help in nurturing many species. Many trees also have medical properties and are used in healthcare industries. They also save us from the harmful ultraviolet rays, which is responsible for skin diseases. Trees are also important for many industries like timber, paper, rubber, silk, etc., helping in economic development. From roots to leaves, every part of the tree is important. Dear students, with the help of this web, you can write a paragraph about the importance of trees. Like, you can write, trees provide us oxygen, food, wood, medicine, absorbs carbon dioxide. Trees give shade and trees are the lungs of the earth and trees are the habitat for animals. Trees give us wood that we can use for cooking and as fuel, and with the help of trees we get wood and make paper. Now let's discuss some rules of paragraph writing. When you are going to write a paragraph, leave 2-finger gap at the start of the paragraph. Start each sentence with capital letter and put full stop at the end. Avoid repetition of words in your writing. Now prepare the page that you can see on the screen. Write day, classwork and date, topic, focus. Date is 30th of March 2021. Classwork should be written in the middle of the mother line. Then date, that is Tuesday. Topic is writing skills. Focus, why are trees important? Then write a statement. Write a paragraph about the importance of trees. Then you will start writing the paragraph after leaving 2-finger gap. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.